Public housing resale prices grew 2.3% for the second quarter. Some analysts say this is partly because more flat owners are upgrading in the public housing market. The increase is fastest rate since end 2022. Now, prices were up 1.8% in the previous quarter. Teng reports.
Prices for most flat types have accelerated this quarter compared to last. This was especially for 5-room public flats, which saw a 2.8% growth this quarter, compared to the 1.5% increase previously. While prices have climbed, demand for these flats remains strong, especially for larger resale flats. A total of more than 14,000 flats were sold in the first half. It's the highest volume for the period since 2021, when over 14,600 units were sold. Analysts say the demand are from buyers who were unsuccessful in their bids for the sale of balance flats. Some of the demand also came from existing flat owners.
In the private property market, increasing prices and also very high interest rates have priced out quite a number of HDB upgraders who would have otherwise liked to upgrade to private property. So instead of upgrading to private property, they're upgrading within the HDB market.
The number of resale flats that sold for at least $1.5 million has seen an uptick. 9 units were sold this quarter compared to just 1 in the same period last year. The number of million-dollar flats has also hit a record, reaching 236 this quarter, up from around 180 units in the first quarter. Industry watchers say, looking at this trend, million-dollar transactions are on track to double compared to last year. They also expect prices of public properties to climb up to 10% for this year.
Demand will still continue to be strong in the second half of the year itself, because first is that we are going to only have another BTO exercise in October, and there's actually no more sale of balance flat exercise. So buyers who want a flat immediately will have to go to the resale market.
In the private property market, home prices have slowed to 2.3%. This is a drop from 3.1% for the same period a year ago.
So when the interest rate is, say, as a cut towards the second half of the year, and also economy and getting better, that will actually make the buyers have more confidence into entering into the market.
They're expecting private home prices to increase by up to 4% for the year. There's also been a sustained decline in private property rental prices. It slipped 0.8% in the second quarter. This followed the 1.9% slide in the previous quarter. This is the third consecutive quarter of rentals dropping. Analysts say with the fewer public flats expected to be completed in the second half of the year, tenants may look to the private rental market. This may help prop up rental rates ahead.